Welcome to Module 6. Today we're going to talk about tied notes. We're also going to continue from Module 5 and expand on our pickup notes a little bit. So first of all, ties, they're used to connect multiple notes in music. So that way, right now we know that our whole notes last for 4 beats. But if we tie notes together, we can have notes that last longer than 4 beats. So for example, second measure in When the Saints Go Marching In, 6.1. So we have the 3 pickup notes. We have a whole note tied to a quarter note. Goes over top of the 2 notes there. And that just means they're tied together. You only pluck the first one. So in total, this D note lasts for 5 beats. So just real quick, we'll talk about the pickup notes in a second, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And then you see it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. At the end of the first line, that D note is still tied to the first note of the second line, right? It's real small on the second line, but you can see there's a little bit of a tie mark right there. Middle of the second line, you see 2 A notes tied together. A whole note and a half note. Little math quiz. 4 beats plus 2 beats. 6 beats. Great. Bet you didn't know you were going to get a math lesson today. But you're going to tie those together. Only pluck the first note. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And be careful, you want to count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because even though they last 6 beats, it's going to throw your counting off for the rest of the exercise. So, let's go ahead, let's talk about the pickup notes real quick. In Module 5, we talked about 1 pickup note. So I counted you in. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Then we talked about 2 pickup notes, and I counted you. I gave you a total of 6 beats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Now I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. You're in on beat 2. 2, 3, 4, 1, and then you're in playing the exercise as normal. So exercise 6.1, When the Saints Go Marching In. Let's give this a try. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's move on to exercise 6.2. We're also going to have 3 pickup notes here. So 3 beats in the first measure, 1 in the last, and we have, let's see, we have 2 quarter notes tied together. So that just makes it a half note. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We see that. At the end of the line, we see 2 C notes tied together again. A half note and a quarter note, total of 3 beats. First measure of the next line, got a whole note tied to a quarter note, total of 5 beats. And at the very end, 2 C notes, you have a whole note, 4 beats tied to a quarter note, 1 beat. And of course, counting no higher than 4. We don't want to count 5 beats, don't want to count 6 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're jumping into the next measure. So with that, let's try 6.2. I'll give you 4 plus 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 2, 4. 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. So only 2 exercises this week, but practice them a bunch, get super comfortable, and we'll see you in Module 7.